This is Tikyapa doing beanie for me because I've got long hair. Mama, hi. Mama, कौन है? She's angry on me. सेमी ते बेनी नहीं तौले करो. I want a ponytail, and my mom is gonna do that for me. Please check it out. Yeah, that's what I wanted. And Mama, you look hot.